Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best humidifier that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the URPOWER Essential Oil Diffuser and Cool Mist Humidifier. This filterless, cool mist humidifier comes ready to aid with your comfort. Intended for personal use, nighttime functions, this humidifier comes with child-friendly functions if you're on the prowl for a humidifier for your asthmatic child, yet works wonderfully for personal use at any age. You get a light changing mode with up to 7 colors, as well as an automatic shut-off feature for extended use. The one downside to this model is the short run time, which you're going to expect with smaller, single-use models. More on T0 His in our comprehensive buying guide. Designed after modern Japanese culture, URPOWER Essential Oil Diffuser helps with dry skin, chapped lips, dry sinuses. Essentially, your wintry conditions that would otherwise leave you feeling your worst. This unit does need to run on tap or distilled water plus 2 to 3 drops of essential oil to get the full use out of it, though not using oil won't damage the machine. Program this to turn on and off whenever you want it to. Ideal for returning from work to a comfortable space after a cold winter's commute. Moving on at number 4, we have the Honeywell Germ-Free Cool Mist. Honeywell is a go-to for air conditioners, space heaters, and now, humidifiers that help encapsulate your space in the perfect humidity level. The atmosphere that you live in, that you sleep in, it matters more than you think, and Honeywell is up to the task of making your living space the best it can possibly be. This specifically comes with attention to detail on the internal width, eliminates up to 99.99% of bacterial growth due to the engineering in this little beauty. Additionally, you'll be able to run this for 24 hours on a single tank of water, albeit on the lowest setting. Master 3 control settings, and utilize this as a white noise machine as well to aid in sleeping. Noise is going to depend on your settings. This humidifier works to gently insert mist into the air without quick sprays that either hit you when you walk by, or end up splashing your guests. This one leans towards the more expensive side, but you absolutely get what you pay for. At number 3, we have the Vicks filter-free ultrasonic cool mist humidifier. They're all about providing comfort and soothing your irritations, and they've done it rather well with this 1.2-gallon humidifier. Run this for up to 30 hours on the lowest setting, all while monitoring your water tank level thanks to the transparent, upfront tank. While this unit is easy to fill up with water, it does come with a few difficulties. For one, specific parts require a keen attention to detail when cleaning. There are a lot of crevices to wipe clean, brush clear, and while doing so, keep wary of the flimsy internal plastic components. This humidifier works well, albeit it with a higher volume of maintenance, and a more careful approach. Use this with Vicks VapoPads to seriously boost the comfort level in your home, and get the good night's sleep you've been waiting for. At number 2, we have the Levoit 6L Cool Mist Humidifier. Levoit comes with a lot of features at a price that might surprise you. From the customizable control features, with built-in memory to lean towards your preferences over time, to the hands-free remote control, you get all the easy features that you'll use every single day. Monitor your room's humidity with the humidistat, ensuring that you're turning your atmosphere into the most comfortable space in your home. While you get a large 6L, 1.6-gallon capacity, you're going to have a tricky time refilling and replacing the tank, due to some awkward handle placement. Depending on your features, this unit can run for up to 36 hours, while operating quietly to minimize noise pollution in your home, and make it easy for light sleepers to catch some shut-eye late at night. With automatic shut-off, durable ABS plastic, and a 2-year warranty, plus attentive customer support should you run into a problem, Levoit hits home on numerous marks. And finally at number 1, we have the Pure Enrichment Cool Mist Humidifier. The Pure Enrichment Cool Mist Humidifier is the perfect cross between a small, personal humidifier, and one to take care of an entire room. If you're suffering from specific health issues and need a small cost to amplify in a bigger space than your bedside table, you've found the humidifier for you. While the physical design of the base makes it a little too easy to knock over, the design does allow for easy cleaning and water replacement. You get up to 16 hours of runtime on a single tank of water, which comes with 1.5 liters of space. One of the most important features of any humidifier is the automatic shutoff feature, and pure Enrichment didn't disappoint. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.